Volcano. This grill itself is at least about 7,000. 2-burner gas stove. There's a toaster oven with also an air fryer. It may or may not come with a package. We also have prep tables here, as you would see. Refrigerator. And if you notice in the refrigerator again, all frozen, works perfectly. Hand wash sink, fire extinguisher with a suppression system, all recently certified. Another prep table here. Under we keep a food warmer that we pull up when we are working. But again, this does not come with a package, an extra fryer, which doesn't come with a package. We have a 3-compartment sink. And of course, wash, rinse, and sanitize. Other storage areas on top, making it easy now to function. Alright, again, hood system, all approved and certified in the last couple of months. New nozzles put in place, fire suppression, also to another extinguisher here with the entire system. Again, it's a drive-in food truck here. Just had it running, fully operational in itself. Propane system, which works again beautifully. Tires, good threading, literally new. Tires here, also again good threading new. Front tires. Again, front tires are new. Walk with a spare battery at all